Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. How's your weekend going? Please let me know in the comments. So today I thought I could do a video all on the brand new Huda beauty powders. I know a lot of you were asking, Gary, please do a full video. We want to see you do a video because I did a short video on this and one on the Clock app, but I thought these do deserve kind of a review. I haven't done a product review in ages and I kind of missed them because sometimes I've been on YouTube quite a lot now, like searching things and watching videos, and sometimes I do miss seeing long form product reviews just because you kind of see them in action, and sometimes it's better than like a quick video. But you guys know I love me a pressed powder. I just love a powder. I love the Makeup For Everyone, I love the Hourglass one. And when Huda released the older version of these, I did not like the formula. They were drying, they left a sheen. I think because with the whole regulations and stuff, brands are now taking out talc because, you know, the whole Johnson & Johnson, and it's making powders become a lot more luminous and leaving like a more glitter finish. I feel since the Givenchy powder fiasco, brands are scared and how reformulating their powders will affect their formulas, but this is insane. Okay, I've already got concealer on because I was actually already on a live doing my makeup, so I've already got my base down, and I will say my base looks absolutely delicious. I've actually got on the Victoria Beckham foundation drops, which I think I've done a video on them. If I haven't done a video, please let me know if you want like another one. I've actually mixed it, so I've actually got on the Victoria Beckham drops mixed in with the About Face foundation, but I think it's the About Face foundation giving it this really healthy glow. I love it on the skin. I haven't set my face yet, so let's set my face a little bit. So I'm gonna do I've got two shades. I've got Pound Cake and Banana Bread. Pound Cake is just a bit too light for me. I'll show you the shades. That is Banana Bread and that is Pound Cake. Pound Cake is a lot more of a beigey yellow. This would be really good for a lighter skin tone, but I normally use Banana Bread in the light areas. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna do a loose powder, then actually, shall I show you without? What I'm gonna do the powder by itself because I do feel like a natural makeup, you may like this powder by itself, because I feel like I just use it if I'm gonna do like a natural day. So just actually put out these puffs here. Focus. And it has like a furry side here and then a flat side. So you can use a flat side to take out any creases in the eye. And then you flip it over. Huda is actually a genius. And then you just kind of get that much powder. I'm actually gonna tap it on the back of my hand and then look up, and then you can kind of just set. I need to go quite lightly on the nose because I can't really pat too hard on the nose. She's still healing, girl. She's still healing. Look how beautiful and blurred this looks. Can you see that? Look how blurred that looks. I'm gonna do a bit here because my face is a bit dewy today, because About Face base is quite dewy. How gorgeous is that? Look at that side where it's quite dewy. And look at that side there where you can just see it's so blurred, it's so gorgeous. I do think I want to get a skin tone shade because I feel like this would be a nice finishing powder. But look how blurred it is. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're actually gonna use a loose powder because I actually haven't tried it with doing a loose and then the press. So we're gonna do the same shade, Banana Bread. Oh wow. Oh my God, I feel like I love it with the loose and the press because look at the difference. This side is a lot more natural. That looks airbrushed. Oh my God. It's a lot more coverage though, but I like it. I think this will be nice by itself in the daytime. Oh wow, okay. Closer. You see? That looks a lot more flawless, and this side is just, it's more natural. Let me know which side you think you like better, but I do like both of them, but this side is just giving me extra. I think because I look a lot tired as well, but let me even these out. I'm gonna do a bit of a loose here. Flawless, I love it. I actually think this powder's gonna be one. I just think Huda Beauty's powders and complexion products are actually top tier, 10 out of 10. Finish. She also, I know a lot of you guys were asking, is she gonna sell this? This is the pop socket she released. So she's actually come out with a pop socket that has the pressed powder in. So how adorable is that? It comes with like a little puff that you put there. How cute is that? What color is this puff actually? I think this is in the shade, oh, this is in Pound Cake. So Pound Cake's a bit bright. I don't really like Pound Cake on me because it goes a bit gray, but for the nose, you see it's just giving me a lot more. This will be really good because, you know, when you're out and you feel a bit oily. Love this, it's so cute. A lot of people were saying maybe she's just gonna give this to like as a PR package, but I do think she's gonna end up selling these. Charlotte Tilbury just announced she's doing one. Huda would be silly not to sell these because it's so smart, and I think people prefer this to having a gloss on their phone. But let me finish off my base and come back. So this is the finished look. Huda powder is actually so gorgeous. I do think when you apply the loose first and then the pressed on top, it does kind of amplify what the powder can do. But I feel like if you're looking for a powder that gives you a natural finish that's going to blur the skin, that's talc free, that you can wear your natural days, it is so nice. I know it's definitely going to go in my permanent rotation because I always use a pressed powder anyway. But look at the material. It looks so good. Let me guys know if you want me to do any specific product recommendations, any videos, because I'm trying to have a content schedule this year, something that I can really stick to. So let me know. Hope you guys are having a lovely weekend. Let me know in the comments and I shall see you in my next one.